here we are answering question 4 of the evaluation section. The question is, how do you use media technologies in the construction, research and planning and evaluation stages? To start with,
we use YouTube for many different aspects of our research. At the very start of planning our music videos, we researched into performance, narrative and conceptual music videos. So this gave us a good understanding of what these were by looking at YouTube. We also did all of our video diaries on YouTube. Well, we obviously videoed them and uploaded them onto YouTube and then put them onto our media blog, Weebly. And yeah, this just gave us a good understanding of all of the music videos out there.
For the pitch, once we decided what we wanted to do for our music video, well, we did a presentation in front of the class and we got filmed. So we put that film on Final Cut Pro, which is our editing software, and we also did a PowerPoint, and we put them together so that we had some bits where it was PowerPoint with our voice over the top, and some bits where it was us being filmed. So it made a good video of it gave extra information.
different technologies used
Yeah, we used different
together.
technologies together, so we heard our voice about what we were saying, but also had extra information on the PowerPoint giving.
And this was also really good. So we got at the beginning of all of the editing, it gave us like confidence to how to use the software.
Yeah.
Only editing a short little video.
Yeah.
We
So
had to mess
actually
around
knew
with the
how to do
timeline
it.
at the bottom, like
Practice,
cuts and put
yeah.
different bits
Yeah.
in.
So it was good.
Secondly, again, sort of what Attilia said, by using Final Cut Pro, we sort of did a bit of practice with our dancer, our main actress Lucy, just sort of testing out the backgrounds and her sort of on this sort of virtual sort of stage, and then we edited bits of that in Final Cut Pro, secondly we used sort of Microsoft Publisher for our block plan, as well as our mind map, but we also did a few of our mind maps on software called Poplit, where you can make a massive sort of scaled mind map. And so we actually used Microsoft Publisher for quite a bit of sort of analysing and stuff like that as well.
And then to make all of our different backgrounds for our music video, we obviously had to research into the patterns which we could possibly have, so we obviously used Google to do that, and then we went away and made our own ones by doing our research. So we made all of our patterns on Photoshop, and then what we had to do was export them into After Effects, and then after we had put all of our timeline together on Avid, we then had to edit it all on After Effects and put lighting and shadows.
Because on Final Cut Pro, we took the backgrounds that we had made on Photoshop, and we made the background. We didn't actually use the backgrounds, but we had the dancer on the green screen, but we had to basically make it all black, so then we could apply it to After Effects and just straight away put the backgrounds behind with the shadows. Yeah,
so in After Effects we added a few of the sort of extra features that we didn't necessarily need, such as the shadow effect, which was where we put a virtual light in the in the virtual studio, and it created shadows all around her, which made it obviously look like a more sort of realistic room. Say if we used a studio in real life, we'd have lamps there. We just sort of made it all virtual.
Yeah, we added what we hadn't got.
And again, exactly. Again, this relates to the name of the song, Virtual Insanity, sort of just to all link in.
And once we did that, we put it back onto Final Cut Pro and added all the last minute effects.
Yeah, and just adjusted
everything we needed to adjust.
Any of the timing and stuff to sort of perfect it. Add some more of the filters in that we had previously had, and sort of just.
It's quite a long process. We had to use all 3 different websites, software.
Yeah, so just all 3 different softwares.
And our audience research, this went onto YouTube as well. But this was also a big part of how we got our feedback, which comes to the evaluation. So for the evaluation we used Prezi, we used mind maps on Poplet, PowerPoint, slideshows. We also obviously are filming now.
And this will probably go onto YouTube as well.
Yeah,
Because
then
we've
put it
basically
on
got a
Roll
channel that consists of our video diary and videos all sort of in order from the first one up until the most recent one, and then obviously this will be added on top as the most recent video.
Yeah.
So again, we're using YouTube.
We have used quite a lot of Prezi as well, so we did our research at
Yeah.
the beginning on, again, performance, narrative, conceptual, and we did Prezi's on all of that to
Yeah.
get an understanding. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's-
Prezi's quite broad, so which is why we used it quite a lot, because you can have so many different designs and structures, and you can completely choose how you want it to look.
Yeah,
Sort
like into a
of
spider
making it unique
diagram.
for each of us. Yeah, you can
Mhm.
it's a bit like a spider diagram.
And to
in a way.
present to the class, for example, it's quite a good way.
More interactive and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.